What's good, YouTube? Welcome to the Pdot Life's 19th how-to video. I'm Nick, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a HempWick dispenser. As you can see, we got many demonstrations here. Pencil sharpener, BB container, and a fucking little deodorant fucking containment device. You can basically use anything with a lid. What you're going to need for it is obviously a containment device with a lid. Some kind of pokey device that can be heated up, metal of course, like scissors. Lighter to heat up that said device, and some hemp wick, of course, if you're going to make a hemp wick dispenser. That's what you need. So start by lighting up your scissors here. Probably should have grabbed the lid, but it's all good, because obviously you're going to be poking a hole in the lid. So I go pretty decent with it. Grab your lid here. Oh, fucking this is what I'm saying. Grab your lid here and just poke a decent hole in it, and do a little mic twisty to certify that the hole is a decent size. And of course, if it isn't, keep going in. I like to get mine decent enough where it goes through without taking anything with it, you know, hitting any of the sides and shit. Just nice easy maneuvers. Just take your piece of hemp wick and just make sure it threads through the top. As you can see, we got a hole going there. Hole doesn't have to be too special, but of course you can get pretty decorative with the shit. The more time you put in, the better it's going to look, like most things. I'm going to go with this other end here because the other end's kind of frayed, so it's not fitting through too well. Widen the hole out. Hole needs some widening. Like I said, you want it to be pretty decent. I prefer my pencil sharpener one. That's the one that works the best. And once it fits through, you're just going to fucking slot your hemp wick in. Obviously, it could fit a lot more. I just had a little bit here for a demonstrational test. Of course, will be used. Probably give this to one of my buddies. Just be like, here's a little hemp wick dispenser. Bam, there you go. And you can check it out. Make sure it slides like in and out. You know, if you pull too much out, you can push it back in, or for storage and such. And if not, you can pull it out easy. It comes out. And there you go. You got your hemp wick dispenser. You just fucking light her up. Usually you have like a candle going or something that you can just light it off of and then let it burn a bit, get safe, and just smoke your tokes up. Good to go. Anyway, thanks for watching another Pdot Life how-to video. As always, I've been Nick. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. The usual shit. Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace out.